Good morning, Hobbiters, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to solve for this 3 by 3 matrix, and we're asked to find the value of x such that the determinants of this matrix is equal to 25. Now how to do that is we have to break this down, make this matrix as 2 by 2 smaller matrix. Then we have to find its determinants. But before that, we have to review on how to find the determinants of 2 by 2 matrix. Now suppose we have matrix X and it contains elements A, B, C, and D. To find its determinants, we have to cross multiply here A and D, then B and C, then subtract. So that is the way on how to find the determinants of the 2 by 2 matrix. So let us proceed. Now, since this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so we have to make the first row as our scalar multiplier to our 2 by 2 smaller matrix. Okay, then we have to alternate the signs starting with positive 2, then negative 3, and positive 5. Okay, so our first 2 by 2 matrix would be coming from, okay, so our technique would be, we're going to cover the first row and also the first column to get our first 2 by 2 matrix. So that is x3, 7, 8. Our second 2 by 2 matrix would be coming from, okay, so cover the first row and also the second column. So we have 1, 3, 4, 8. Then our third 2 by 2 matrix would be, okay, cover the first row and the third column. So this is just a technique on how to generate 2 by 2 matrix coming from our 3 by 3 matrix. So our third matrix, 1x4, 7, and this is equal to 25. So we have now here our smaller 2 by 2 matrix coming from the given. So as you can see, you have your scalar multiplier starting with this positive 2, then we have negative 3 and the positive 5. Okay, so remember that to get the determinants of the 2 by 2 matrix, we have to cross multiply. So you have x times 8, so you have 8x. Then you have 3 times 7, you have 21, then subtract. So you have 8x minus 21. Okay. Next would be, so that is 1 times 8, so you have 8. Then 3 times 4, you have 12, then subtract, so you have 8 minus 12. Okay. Next is positive 5 times 1 times 7 is 7. Then x times 4 is 4x, so the subtract, so you have 7 minus 4x, and this is equal to 25. Then we can now apply the distributive property to find the product of this first group, second, and the third. And we are going to combine all like terms, then we can solve for the value of x. So by multiplying 2 to 8x, we have 2 times 8x, so you have 16x. Then 2 times negative 21, that is negative 42. Next is we have to solve first 8 minus 12. Then we have negative 4. So 8 minus 12 is negative 4 to be multiplied to negative 3. Then next is 5 times 7 is 35. Then 5 times negative 4x is negative 20x, and this is equal to 25. So copy first 16x minus 42, then you multiply negative 3 and negative 4 to get positive 12. Then copy plus 35 minus 20x equals 25. Okay, then we can start solving negative 42 and positive 12. So just copy 16x. Then negative 42 plus 12 is negative 30. Then copy 35 minus 20x equals 25. Okay, next is we have to solve first negative 30 plus 35. So since unlike, we have to subtract and copy the sign of the greater number. So negative 30 plus 35, you have positive 5. So copy 16x plus 5 minus 20x equals 25. The next step is we have to combine like terms. So combining 16x and negative 20x, then we're going to transpose 5 to the right side using APE. So you have 16x minus 20x equals 25 minus 5. So what is 16x minus 20x? The answer is negative 4x. Then 25 minus 5 is 20. Then after that, we can find the value of x by dividing both sides by negative 4. Okay, so you have here, so negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. So you have here x, then 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. So the value of x from our 3 by 3 matrix is equal to negative 5. Okay. So I hope you have learned something from our matrix video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next extra math challenge. So this is Sir George's Habit. Thank you for watching.